my barn. This is where I keep my chickens, okay? Over here is my super nice kitchen, okay? It's where I cook my chicken and my goats. And I also, yeah, you guys think that I don't, eat dog because, bitch, I don't fucking eat dog, but I cook it because people want it at the restaurant, so I cook the dog here. This is where I chop up the dogs, their bones are so hard, you go, okay? And then you cut the bones and stuff. These are my minions. As you can see, they're learning to cook dogs and stuff. Especially the Mexican over there. Oh yeah, he's bad. I think I'm gonna fire him. Come on, let's go. Follow me. You're fired. I'm gonna hang you, okay? You don't know how to cook dogs? What? Okay, let's walk, okay? Oh yeah. This is my cart so I can drag out the food, okay? And this is my cooking pot. As you can see, it's burnt because I cook a lot of dog in here. This is the leftover oil, okay? Don't show them the flaw. This is my bicycle, okay? I go delivery, $5, okay? Over here, and you can see over here, this is where they're chopping up the goat. Because the goats are fat. Okay, now okay, bye.